Come pack a fall order for Christy with us. Christy has a Freestyle Libre 2 and prefers our Libre overpatches. In her order, she has some of our new fall tapes, Coneflowers and Monarchs, Dark Forest, Falling Colors, Forest Mushrooms, Autumn Leaves, Sunflowers, and one of my personal favorites, Chrysanthemums. Check out how gorgeous these tapes are. Once I'm sure that I have all the tapes that are needed for Christy's order, I put them in this bag that helps keep them nice and safe for shipping and keeps all moisture out. Then I add in one of our postcards that has application instructions and more info on ExpressionMed, and I pop it all into the envelope. During this process, I double check and make sure that all of the tapes that should be in there are included and that nothing is missing from her order. It gets an ExpressionMed return label, and it'll get a shipping label for Christy as well. Then into the mailbox it goes, and we wave it off on its way. We hope you enjoy your order, Christy.